Hello everyone, it's Izzy. If this is your first time seeing this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are someone that already seen some of my videos, thank you so much for stopping by. So basically, for those that don't know, I started learning to code after changing career paths 10 months ago. So I decided to make a transition in tech, and for the past 10 months, that's what I've been doing. So I did a blog that I posted, I think, last week. So it was my experience going to my first tech conference, and after I published it, a lot of people liked it. And I've never done anything of that nature, like posting blogs and stuff. It's just not my thing. I just wanted to document my experience going to that conference. So there was a lot of things that I had to learn for the first time. For instance, I didn't know that my phone had 60 frames per second. I was doing 30, so my previous video was shot only at 30 frames per second. So I'm working on that now, and now it's on 60. So after posting the blog, I got some good feedback, and I spoke to my wife about it, and she brought up the fact that I've been telling my subscribers how I've been going to coding meetups in New York City since March. And after posting the blog, I noticed that, I never posted my experience attending a coding meetup in New York City. So basically, this is going to be my attempt of doing so, because ironically, for those that don't know, I only attend one coding meetup in New York. It's called Coding Coffee, and I've been attending since March. So today, Sunday, December 15th, is the last meetup of the year. So what better time to actually do that? I'm going to do my best to show you guys what goes on in a coding meetup in New York City, particularly this one. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. See you guys inside. So for context, the coding meetup takes place thanks to this amazing organization. It's a co-working space. It's called the Yard. And basically, they have multiple offices. So the coding meetup can take place either in Manhattan or like today, which is Brooklyn. So there's where we at today. We are in Brooklyn, and yeah, it takes place here. So this particular building has 3 floors, and we have access to all 3. So basically, this room that you see here is for any speakers that have and want to give a talk. So the amazing thing about our community is that if you want to have a talk of any technology, it really doesn't matter. You just reach out to the volunteers and the organizers of the event, and once you get approved, you have this amazing room that they provide for you, and here you can have your talk, and it can be about anything related with tech, whatever is new with React, anything, whatever you want to talk about. And once you get approved, this is the room that takes place. So yeah. So this is the 3rd floor. So as you can see, each floor has a bathroom, 2 to 3 bathrooms, a nice, amazing co-working space. And one of the things that, like I was saying, we have 3 floors. So right now I'm on the 3rd floor. I'm not showing you the second one because once you see the 3rd, pretty much the second one looks exactly the same. So basically, the 2 floors that I just showed you, the first one where you can do the talks, and the 3rd one upstairs, they share something in common, and is that depending how many attendees are in the event, we separate them into groups. That way we can do what we call the intro circle. So basically all it means is we get in a circle, and we have 7 to 10 seconds to say our name, the technologies that we're working with, or things that we want to learn, and our hobbies. And then what this does is it kind of breaks the ice, and it makes it easier for you to find someone to speak with once the event starts. And basically that's how it goes.
So you can take the stairs through that yellow door, you can take the elevator over there by the desk, you can take the other set of stairs over here, whatever you like. Up to the 3rd floor in a large room at 2:45, our intro circle we'll start. Thanks.
So essentially we are about to get ready to do the intro circle. So in a couple minutes we're gonna do a circle. We're gonna introduce ourselves. We have like 7 to 10 seconds like I told you before. And then once it's done, we get going with the meetup. And then you decide who you wanna speak with and stuff. So yeah, see you.
Just here to network, meet people. Was there like talking points?
Something technical you like to talk about, or something non-technical you like to talk about?
Something technical that I like to talk about. I'm very passionate about networking.
So I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but as you can see here, people are here networking, getting to know each other. The event ends at 5 p.m. It's already 4:34, and ever since the intro circle ended, which was around 3 p.m., that's all we've been doing. Right now I'm on the 3rd floor. There's people downstairs networking as well, and basically that's the flow. The meetup starts at 2, ends at 5, and you just try to maximize your time with everybody. What I usually do is, since I always come to the same meetup, I tend to speak with different people, but I always end up talking with those that come often, because I believe that to make a good relationship, you need to see someone multiple times. I do see the value of giving your LinkedIn and speaking with a person one time, but I truly believe that you gain confidence, you gain trust, and you can actually recommend someone based on their projects and their personality only when you have met this person multiple times. So that's why I always stay loyal to Code and Coffee. I come to the same meetup. Why? Because I get to see the same people, build relationships, and it's not just only sharing my LinkedIn, but I get to share my phone number, and I get to go out with these people, maybe for dinner, for lunch. And I think it's really important to make a legitimate relationship with someone once you see them multiple times. That's the way that I approach networking. I know some people, they just go and do their LinkedIn stuff, but for me, LinkedIn is just one piece of the puzzle, but what really comes down to is gaining trust, and the way that you gain trust with someone is meeting them multiple times. So yeah, I just wanted to share with that, the way that I approach networking in my meetup. Yeah, it was $30 for starters. So I just got back home and I realized that I never did an outro for this video. So essentially after 5 p.m. the meetup was over and I had to make it today. It was the last Code and Coffee meetup of the year, so I couldn't miss that. Something that was very amazing, as you can see in the clips, is that there were a lot of people today. And not only that, I saw a lot of new faces. So I hope they keep coming in throughout next year. This is how the community grows. This is how the meetup gets even better. So I hope all these new people that I saw today, they keep coming in. That's how you build a community. And lastly, once it was done, I actually was catching up with two of my friends that I got to spend some time with at the Commit Your Code conference. So it was nice catching up with them. And after dinner, I headed back home. But the main point of this portion of the video is I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse on how Code and Coffee, the one that I always go to as a coding meetup, takes place in New York City. I hope that you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Peace.